Hello everyone and welcome to my channel, Rose So Blessed. Jumping right into this video. Right here I'm putting apple cider vinegar on my hair, getting ready to start a detox for my dreads. And you're gonna see me, I'm just gonna put this whole bottle of apple cider vinegar on my hair, making sure to get my hair nice and wet with the vinegar. Before I add the baking soda to my hair, I just want to make sure it's nice and saturated with the apple cider vinegar. And I'm putting it all over my head. And again, I'm going to put the apple cider vinegar first and then move on to adding baking soda. And we're going to still put some more apple cider vinegar and more baking soda as you see as the video goes on here. So I'm just rubbing my hair, making sure apple cider vinegar is saturated. All of my dreads are nice and soaking wet with the apple cider vinegar. Woo. Adding some more apple cider vinegar, making sure to get the front all nice and wet. Rubbing it in. Now here I'm starting to add the baking soda. And I'm just going to sprinkle the baking soda all over my head, all around the edges, the front, the middle, making sure to get all up in between the dreads and the inside. And here I'm adding baking soda to the back. See how that baking soda is holding because I added the apple cider vinegar already. So now the baking soda is starting to stick to my head. And I'm just going to continue to add some baking soda, making sure every one of my dreads is covered with some baking soda to help pull out all the oil, the grease, the little lint balls and grinds and stuff that tend to get stuck into your hair. So I want to just make sure I have the baking soda all throughout there. So when I continue to add the apple cider vinegar and it starts to bubble up and sizzle, it's going to help to get all of that gook and grime outside of my dreads. Continuing to rub the baking soda all throughout my hair, making sure it's rubbed in there nice and good. And it's all over everywhere it needs to be. I'm going to add a little bit more. I didn't have enough up top. Making sure all of my dreads are getting covered with the baking soda. And here you see I've put the baking soda all over my entire head. Now I'm going to start the process of adding some more apple cider vinegar, making sure to saturate all of my dreads with apple cider vinegar. Yep, you know, all up in there, all in the back, the sides, the middle. Yep, getting that apple cider vinegar all throughout the dreads. continuing to soak my dreads with some apple cider vinegar. You can see on the side where the baking soda is starting to bubble up and get all up in there, and I'm rubbing it in, just make sure it's all up in there to get all of that grease and guck from up out of my dreads. Yep, continuing to add the apple cider vinegar everywhere. You want to make sure you get it nice and wet. And basically, I'm just trying to put enough apple cider vinegar in my hair to where you're taking the whiteness of the baking soda out until you're not seeing it. It's going to start to get runny and form in here. I'm just rubbing it in, just making sure, again, like I said, it's nice and wet, it's saturated, rubbing all that baking soda and apple cider vinegar throughout my hair. Doing a nice detox to get those dreads nice and clean. Yep, just continuing to rub my head. Oops, don't get it in your eyes, girl. That vinegar will burn. And here you're going to see me just adding some more baking soda to my hair. Making sure to rub it in all in my edges, all around the side. You want to make sure you get it everywhere. In your hair, that is. So, yep, see? Adding it all around the edges, rubbing it in. Had to spit, sorry, excuse me. And I'm just going to continue to add some more apple cider vinegar to my head after putting some more baking soda in there. Again, making sure to get it nice and saturated and wet with that apple cider vinegar until the whiteness of the baking soda kind of go away. And I'm just going to continue to pour apple cider vinegar and rub it throughout my hair. Yep, just rubbing it in. See how that baking soda is bubbling up in there. Just moving the dreads around, just trying to help it kind of loosen up the gunk that's up in there, that's stuck in between the dreads. You want to make sure you kind of just rub it in and get it all up in there. You can see how it's starting to sizzle on the side right there. Yep, just massaging it through. This is the best feeling, just massaging your head and your scalp. It feels good. But I'm also doing this to help loosen up all the gunk in between the dreads. Making sure to get the apple cider vinegar all throughout my hair. Continuing to just rub it in nice and good. Okay, try not to blind myself with the apple cider vinegar because it will burn that out of your eyes. Now you're going to see I didn't have a plastic cap, so yes, I'm using a Walmart bag to put over my head, and I'm just going to put this bag over my head for a little while I sit and just let the apple cider vinegar and baking soda continue to work its way and help loosen up all the gook in between my dreads. I'm going to let this sit on my head for a while, and then I will wash it out. Sorry guys, I didn't do the video for the wash part, so you will not see it in here. But thanks for watching. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more videos. Bye.